Hello. So most of the people are searching for Chatgpt. Okay, so how to use the Chatgpt because they don't know have the basic knowledge that how they are going to use this awesome tool for you can say for outstanding queries because it is the emerging thing AI that basically transform the whole world in the new you can say shape. So let me show you that how simple it is. So next time you can easily you just need to go into openai.com/blog/chatgpt and then there's a button, there's a try ChatGPT. You just need to click on that button. It will ask for the sign up. The sign up process is very simple. You just need to enter your email, or if you are the existing user, you just need to enter your email and password. Sign up is you can say with 2 points. Like first one is either you sign up with your email address or you authenticate your Gmail address, and then it will ask for your phone number, and then you just need to enter your phone number for sign up. Sign up process is very simple, so it will hardly take less than 1 minute. Okay, then once you sign in, you will see this window. Okay, so this is the awesome window that here you have the all queries and you can easily see what you want. So let's suppose if I enter hello, how are you? Let's suppose if I enter this one, how are you? Okay, so let's see that. Okay, the funny thing is that I'm just a computer program. I don't have the feeling or physical well-being, but I'm here to help you with any question information. Look at this, that this AI is basically transforming the world. So let's suppose if I enter how to make money online, it even tell you that how basically with the help of this AI information, it will tell you like this one. There are many ways to make money. Some popular methods: selling products, e-commerce platform, build monetize website, blogs through affiliate, creating and selling online courses, start a YouTube channel, monetize through ads, sponsor your affiliate market, building and selling software app, participating online market, Fiverr, up. Look at how intelligent it is. Now where you can imagine that what else this tool will tell you. Okay, so let's suppose if I am the programmer. Okay, I want to see I want to write me code for calculator in C++. Let's see that if it is you can say. Look at this one. Oh my god. Even if you are the you can say basic person, look at this. It basically give you overall you can say programming syntax. You can't imagine that how intelligent this tool look like. So this tool will solve all your questions and all your necessary answers, and whatever things prompt in your mind, it will solve those as well. So this is the basic tutorial, and this is the you can say power of this you can say tool, that you can easily see that how simple. You just need to enter your you can say your queries, and it will answer you whatever you have, and it will help you to identify different problems, and it will solve you a different. This is definitely you can say one of the you can say outstanding tool that ever you can say emerge in the over internet era. So hopefully you like our video. Please subscribe to my channel, then I will you can say come up with more you can say videos for you guys, and tell you that how you are going to you can say make some quick bucks or other you can say thing. But I need your encouragement. If you like our video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and keep watching.